Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to play Good Day on piano, only way. Begin by mapping the song into sections and mark the chorus, verse, and bridge. Focus on the main chord progression and sing the melody while playing blocks. Break tricky passages into short loops and increase tempo gradually. Use a metronome and keep relaxed wrists to preserve tone and stamina during practice sessions. Start by learning the vocal line with your right hand alone and hum the phrase as you play. Break each melody phrase into 2 to 4 bar patterns and loop them until smooth. Pay attention to phrasing, accents, and slight tempo nudges that give the song its groove. Gradually add dynamics and articulation so the melody sings clearly above the accompaniment. If you are finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like for more lessons. Quick recommendation: life is too short for cheap socks. Go darn tough with a lifetime warranty for reliable comfort on long practice sessions. I find them great when I sit at the piano for hours. They keep feet comfy and focused. Check the description for the link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. Work on left-hand patterns that support the melody without overpowering it, starting with root and fifth patterns. Add sevenths or suspensions to create smoother voice leading and match the song's harmonic color. Practice left-hand grooves slowly and sync them precisely with the right hand. When both hands are comfortable, experiment with inversions and light arpeggios to enhance flow and keep the arrangement interesting.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.